Namaste, welcome to Simply Organized. Have you ever felt like your home is always a mess? Clutter piling up, no time to manage it, and you just don't know where to begin? You're not alone. With life getting busier, staying organized can feel like a never ending cycle. Many times we decide to organize our home, but once we begin, it feels overwhelming and we give up. Later, we regret it thinking if I only had stuck to it back then, my home would have been so much better now. Sound familiar, right? This happens because we try to do too much at once. Even I used to think I could organize an entire room in one go. I would start with the intention of decluttering the kitchen, but after finishing a shelf or two, I had feel exhausted because I also needed to cook and take care of the family at the same time. It was so overwhelming. I would go from room to room, doing a bit here and bit there, but never really completing anything. But one day, I focused on clearing out just a single drawer in my kitchen. That small win gave me the confidence to keep going. And within a week, my entire kitchen started looking neat. Just 1% improvement a day is all I did. You don't need to take on too many tasks at once. Just choose one specific task and follow the 5S rule, which means sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. The first one is sort. Start by removing all unnecessary items from frequently used spaces. In my home, the TV unit often gets cluttered because it is the most accessible spot. Every day, I dedicate just 5 minutes to clear it out. For you, it could be your makeup drawer, kitchen countertop, or your workspace. Once you have sorted the items, arrange them systematically so they are easy to maintain. For example, near the TV unit, I use small baskets to group remotes, chargers, and other essentials. If everything has a designated place, making it easier to find and put away. The next step is shine, which means keeping the space clean. Simple habits like dusting the TV unit daily or wiping kitchen counters after cooking make a big difference. A clean space feels so refreshing and is easier to maintain. The next one is standardize. Assign specific days for different tasks like laundry on Monday, meal prep on Friday, and deep cleaning on Sunday. As I mentioned earlier, choose one task per day to avoid overwhelm. And the final and most important step is sustain, which means consistency. Because organizing your home once is easy, but keeping it that way is the real challenge. When you make small efforts every day, maintaining an organized home becomes effortless. I know how it feels. You might be thinking, I already know these steps sort, clean, organize. But there is always a little voice in my head saying, I'll do it later. Believe me, I have been there too. But you know what? The first step, no matter how small, is the hardest part. Even if you remove just one unnecessary item today, it's a win. Slowly, you'll see the change. And when you look back, you'll be amazed at your progress. That's why 1% improvement a day is so powerful. It keeps you moving forward without feeling overwhelmed. While you are watching this, think of one small task you can do right after this video. Maybe it's putting a load of laundry into the machine, clearing the kitchen countertop, or folding a few clothes. It's okay if you can't finish everything. Even folding just 2 pairs of clothes also counts as your 1% improvement for the day. Dust a corner today, organize a drawer tomorrow, and watch your home transform one step at a time. Remember, progress is progress no matter how small it is. So, comment below with the task you are going to tackle today and let's inspire each other. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical organizing tips. Thank you for watching.